There's a lot out there on how to stage your home for that spring and summer sale. But what about for staging it for right now and the next coming months? Hey everyone, it's Ethan, your favorite realtor in Cincinnati, Ohio, and all of the world, I hope. Just wanted to take a little bit of your time and share some advice. If you're thinking about selling your property here in the next month or two, I wrote some items down, just gonna share it with you. Number one is curb appeal. Like if you've got a bunch of leaves in your front yard, clean them up. Seasonal plants, like throw some pumpkins out on the front porch. Warm lighting's huge. It's just small things like that whenever you bought your house, remember when you first pulled up to it, like I bet you remember one or two small things that before you even moved into the house, the first time you saw it, that curb appeal, it was there. Inside your house, keep it warm. People don't want to walk into a house and it's 60 freaking degrees. Like it's starting to get cold outside. People want to not feel uncomfortable when they're walking into something they're going to go spend hundreds of thousands of dollars on or millions of dollars on. Think about scent, like especially if you have pets or something, like a great way to mask that smell is, the holiday candles, the pumpkin spice candle, the Glade plugins are great. Don't overdo it though. We don't want to walk in and not be able to breathe. But having a good, scent that fits the vibe, it fits the holiday season, just small stuff like that helps. Like the ambiance, if you got a fireplace, showcase it, make it look pretty, throw a little decorations around it. Maintenance wise, just, make sure your house is just clean in general. People don't want to walk in and, see like hair on your toilet seat and stuff like that. If there's, a driveway where people are pulling up and it's starting to snow, clear the snow off. Just small things like that will help you sell your home. As always, if you want to buy, sell, talk real estate, or just talk to me in general, give me a call. Love to hear from you. Take care and see you next one.